Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Flip app. So in this case, you might be wondering how exactly make money on the Flip app here. So the answer of the question, can you actually make the money? Well, yes, you can make money on Flip and it's a lot better than you initially expected here. So Flip is like TikTok but with a unique twist. Now you can earn into main ways by selling products or by getting paid for views. So how do you get paid here? First is views. Now when you post videos, you earn money for the first 30 days. So most creators make around 15 to 25 per thousand views, which is pretty well, especially since you don't even need followers to start earning. Now for selling products, if someone buys a product through your Flip videos, you will get a commission, usually around 5 to 15% of the product's price. Now the catch here, you can only view and sell products that you have purchased directly from Flip. So this keeps reviews authentic, which is a nice touch. Now, what about posting here on Flip? First, flips are product reviews, so similar to TikTok shop content, and clips are regular every videos that don't focus on products. But there is the thing here, you have to buy a product on Flip before you can start posting. If it's just clips or even if it's just clips, so it's a bit of a downside here, but they do offer discount to make it easier. You can also earn discounts while watching videos. So here is something cool. As you watch videos or for at least like 3 seconds, you rack up discount credit. So this credit can cover up to 80% of the product's price, but you need to pay the remaining 20% with DR cash. Now, for example, if you find a product for $100, you have a $50 discount credit, so you have to pay $50 out of pocket. In this case, why is Flip different? One of the things that you can love about Flip here is how they handle product views. Unlike TikTok Shop, where everyone can post about anything, Flip only allows reviews for products you have bought through them. So this keep reviews authentic and trustworthy, and it builds trust to the community. Now, sure, it means that you have to buy the items or to review, but also prevents you from posting fake or low quality content. What can you earn here? With consistent effort, many creators are making around like $500 to $1,000 a month, and since Flip is growing, especially with TikTok, this case having some problems with certain policies out there in different countries, so there is a lot of potential for views and sales. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make money on Flip. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.